Hello guys, welcome back to what is a very happy day for Opendoor stock. If we have a look over here, we are seeing the stock rise by 14% today. This is absolutely perfect. And you know what? If you watch my updates from both yesterday and Sunday, you will know this is exactly what I wanted to see happen. I think things right now for this stock are looking absolutely magnificent. We're in a brilliant position, and I'm going to be giving you all of my personal thoughts and opinions on both what we have seen and what we could see in the not too distant future over the course of this video. If it sounds like a good one, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe. It does help me out a lot. But as always guys, please also remember I am not a financial advisor, and therefore this is not financial advice, and I encourage you to do your own research. But yeah, subscribing would help a lot. Anyway, let's jump straight into this one. Now, again, if you watch the updates that I've made over the weekend, I said that things were forming up very nicely. We found this pattern where, yes, the stock had been rising quite consistently. We've seen just constant uptrend, and then a downturn came. I think this was almost inevitable at some point, and actually is a healthy sign of a stock doing well. After all, what do you expect, right? This company is up. Well, let's have a look at the numbers. If we go to 6 months, this company is up even to the lows, 600%. It is absolutely normal to see drops of 10, 15, 20%. So in context, I don't think that these were actually that big. Anyway, we eventually hit $4, bouncing straight off of that and finding our more realistic support around 410, 415. Now that actually worked out brilliant. We saw the momentum to the downside really starting to slow, and like I said guys, today could have been either the day where we broke below that trend, or the day where things actually form this beautiful pattern and we get the confirmation that there is more potential for an uptrend here. And seemingly we got the latter, right? We got the likelihood, or the possibility at the very least, of the trend changing to the upside. Now this is significant for a number of reasons, in my opinion. I think the most significant thing is this shows that the momentum to a degree is still there. I mean, 14% in a day is not an insignificant move. And the concern in a lot of people's minds, especially when stocks rally this far, is what happens next. How likely are they to continue to rise? And whilst it's impossible to say with any degree of certainty, I think this is definitely a very bullish sign that momentum potential is absolutely still there. Other notable things for today is that we broke above 493 and actually into the $5 range. This happened actually faster than I expected, to be honest. I thought this might happen tomorrow or in the next couple of days, but it actually happened straight away on the first trading day, which is very impressive. So, opening up, going straight above into the $5 range by the end of the day. This is absolutely spot on. Now going forwards into what I expect for the next few days. Well, ideally this one's going to continue to form this upwards trend, hopefully some sort of a cup and handle pattern perhaps, and just generally move upwards. So far things are absolutely working out in this manner, but there are a few important levels to break above yet. Now, most importantly, we're looking at 530, a level of difficulty here in the past, and really even staying above $5 is going to be absolutely significant. Again, what would be obviously perfect is another explosive day into tomorrow, potentially taking us up to 584, maybe into the $6 range. However, that could be a little bit optimistic. Really, remaining above $5 tomorrow is going to be absolutely fantastic. Higher than that, I think we're looking at levels at 580, 587, 590, and then potentially into the $6 range. Now, levels of support that we want to establish. Previous levels of resistance have been around 686, 685. We've seen that be a resistance here. However, this also does have some historical significance as a support, again back here. So this could now be our new level of support, right? 486, I should say, 485, 486. If we can hold on to that into tomorrow, absolutely brilliant. That is a downside target in the worst case scenario. But really, we don't want to see any downside tomorrow. We want to see this pattern continue to form. And again, taking us above 570, 580, things get very, very impressive. Overall, I think today is absolutely perfect. This is exactly what I wanted to see with this stock. And again, it depends what you think of this one, right? It's for you guys to make your minds upon. But in my opinion, I think this does highlight the fact that a lot of momentum and a lot of potential is absolutely or potentially still here with this stock at the moment, which is very impressive. Let me know what you think to this in the comments, guys. Just a quick short video, but I think this has been absolutely spot on. I couldn't have really mapped out a better day if I had tried myself. Let me know your thoughts on this in the comments. This is just my personal thoughts, but yeah, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe as well. It does help. Thank you. See you again soon. Goodbye.